Yeah.
And I am sorry for that. I'm so sorry for that.
It is so easy to see dysfunction between you and me. We must free up these tired souls before the sadness kills us both. I tried and tried to let you know I love you, but I'm letting go. It may not last, but I don't know. I just don't know. Just don't know. Then you can't get
From kindergarten to senior year, I called Singapore American School home. After all, I lived in 7 different apartments but only ever attended one school. For 13 years, I wandered these halls, filmed my first movies, befriended my oldest friends here. It's what makes my camera roll so heartwarming to go through. We never had a garage for my band to practice in, but we had SAS's jam room. We never had a house for people to hang out in, but we had the library and the cafeteria.
memories can heal us temporarily, but misbehaving only makes the ditch between
And one of the biggest reasons I'm at film school now is because I spent so much time in SAS's media lab hanging out and making films.
You know how many shots this is? 96 cuts. That is so many videos. And then you multiply that by like 25.
every day. With every word this word we get more far away.
But this school doesn't exist anymore.
Yo, so I'm at SAS. Why are there so many cranes? That's really stupid.
The Ho brothers catered for SAS for over 50 years. I recently met up with my friend Ryan and he told me how his dad, when he went to SAS 30-something years ago, was eating Mr. Ho's food. But now the cafeteria has some soulless conglomerate caterer called Sodexo. The library no longer looks like the library I remember. But most of all, something I never realized until now, is that I recognize none of these people. SAS really did shape who I am. 13 years anywhere will do that to you. But that school is quickly disappearing and one day it will be unrecognizable. It's like the ship of Theseus paradox. Is it really the school I went to if everything about it, from the students to the teachers to the walls themselves, are different? So that school I remember, that school that took 5-year-old me and brought me to the edge of 18, that school now only exists in pictures and videos. The only thing I can do now is look back.